Okay everybody, Bill here, Blitzmold Fab. Hey, today just going to do a short little video. I'm going to change the cabin air filter in my Jeep. So if you don't know if your car has a cabin air filter, just get online and search it. Google, Safari, whatever. Put in the year and the make of your vehicle and put cabin filter after it. So take a cruise over here and show you guys the basics of how to do this. So you open your glove box. Cabin air filter is always behind your glove box. So on a Jeep, you just open your glove box. There's a little arm over here on the side. All you do is pull this arm forward and then out. It unclips. And then you just go ahead and, yeah, good job here. Up on the top, there's a little clip right here. If you lift the glove box door up just a hair, push that clip up, the glove box door goes right by it. And then, right here in the back, this is where your filter is. If you undo these two little clips, slide this cover out, there is your cabin air filter. And all this does is this filters the air that comes in and goes to through your air conditioner. So it's important that you keep this filter clean, and it's important that you change it out every once in a while. They have crazy recommendations. I usually try to change mine out like once a year or kind of whenever I think about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take this filter, and on the Jeep, all you do is squeeze these. These are really weird. You squeeze them together like an accordion and kind of slide it out, and it just comes straight out. There's other vehicles where it, you know, has real solid cardboard and stuff around the edge, all the way around. On the Jeep filters, it just has kind of hard cardboard, whatever this is, felt, real stiff felt on two sides, and then the other two sides are really thin, so that you can take these in accordion. Because what there is there's a piece of plastic right here that's kind of in the way of this. I don't know why they made it like that. I don't know why they didn't slide it over or take this and slide this over just a hair or what. But anyway, great engineering. So I'm gonna get the new filter and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the new air filter. I'm gonna go ahead and take it. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna accordion the edge kind of in, squeeze the edge in, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put it right back in here. Pay attention to which direction. This one has arrows on it showing the flow as down, and that is the way the airflow goes. Airflow goes, I don't know if you can see, this vent right here is open, and the air, this is like when you have the interior air on, it sucks in right here, goes down. When you have the outside air, it closes that and it pulls it from outside, and it pulls it the same way right down here over your, I believe it's a condenser. Either the condenser or the evaporator. I'm not an AC guy, so not sure which one it is. Which one is which? It's one of those anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and stuff this in. I can't really do it holding the camera and leaning in the Jeep. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this thing in and I'll be right back. Okay, that was fun. Just to kind of squeeze it in there and try not to ruin it. Really, like I said, it's really weird how Jeep did this, where the filter goes way over here in the back, but yet there's plastic in the way, so you can't really get to it. I actually ordered another filter and I ended up sending it back because it had the real stiff felt on all four sides. And when I tried to squeeze it together and kind of accordion it in to get around this corner and get in here, it wouldn't let me do it. It was really deforming the filter. So make sure you get the right filter. Right in the beginning of the video, I focused in on that part number, so you can use that filter. That one works. And then this cover, you just take this cover, slide it over here, You got to get it caught in there and then snap this thing back in. Yeah, again, trying to do it one-handed, and of course I'm left-handed, and so I'm holding the camera with my left hand, right? So maybe I got it backwards. I don't even know. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Yep. Looks like just like everybody tells you, right? It's all really easy, nice and easy. There you go. I just had to stick it all the way in over on that side just to get these clips to clip itself back in. So that's all you have to do. And then after dumping all your junk out of your glove box, or at least me, one of those guys that usually stuffs a bunch of junk in the glove box. I got maps, I got all kinds of crap in here. I'm sure with the camera going all over the place, I'm making this look great, right? So snap that thing in, and then go over here on the side, take the little arm and find that hole, push it in that hole, and just push it forward. When you unlock it, you just pull it this way. It's got like a big hole and then a small hole, so you just pull it towards you and it unlocks and it comes right out, and then you set it in the hole and then you push it back and it locks. So that's all you have to do, and that's your cabin air filter. And then put all your junk, or in my case all my junk, back in the glove box, and you're good to go. So that's all I got. Just a short little video. Thanks, guys.